Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your JBL wireless earbuds. First, make sure your earbuds are fully charged. This ensures a smooth connection. Next, place both earbuds into their charging case and close the lid for about 5 seconds. This resets their connection. Then, simply remove them from the case, and they should automatically enter pairing mode, ready for the next step. Now, let's connect them to your device. Go to your phone or tablet's Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You should see your JBL earbuds appear in the list of available devices. They might show up with a name like JBL Tune or JBL Live. Simply tap on your earbud's name to connect. You'll hear a confirmation tone once they are successfully paired. Sometimes you might encounter a small hiccup. If only one earbud connects, try placing both back in the case, closing it, and then removing them again. If that doesn't work, go to your device's Bluetooth settings, forget or unpair your JBL earbuds, and then restart the entire pairing process from the beginning. Also, check that no other devices are currently connected to your earbuds. For persistent issues, a factory reset might be necessary. This usually involves a specific button combination on the earbuds or case. Refer to your model's user manual for precise steps. The manual is a great resource for detailed instructions and specific features. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to JBL customer support. They can provide tailored guidance for your specific earbud model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.